Are your clothes boring and ununique? Then you need the Uniqueinator. It turns boring old clothes into fabulous garments.
I'm ready for sports.
Oh, yeah.
I'm a ninja.
Take this boring example.
I'm ready for fun.
Oh, yeah!
I'm a pet rock. My name is Leonard.
Come on, let's go, Leonard.
With the Uniqueinator, you can be ready for anything. And I'm ready for a shower.
I'm wet.
Oh, yeah!
And if you order in the next 15 minutes, we'll include
This
little
girl! Oh, yeah! Caution, side effects may include burning, itching, swelling, balding, and or death. Call now!
Or else.